Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name's Gina and Miss Callie Cat is mad at me because I had to get my remote out from under her and she was in my lap. She did not like that. So today I have a Beiesa Eldridge haul, y'all. You know, they just did that new launch of a bunch of new colors. I ordered a few, not of the new colors, but some of the old ones that they had restocked and put, you know, eyeliners and stuff like that she didn't have that matched before. Well, I love it so much, I had to order more. You know this about me. I get so excited. I gotta try more. So, let's see what's in here. So, I got another sample of her Seamless Skin Foundation. This one is in the light, light to medium. So I am thinking I am going to be like, actually this says 9, 10, 11, and 12. I wonder if I got 1 and 2 on the other one. I'll have to look it up. Anyway, it'll be on my other video. I'll pop a little link up below so you can see that. Okay, all of her True Velvet lipsticks, which is what these are, I believe, are, oh, go away, Pop-Ups, $36. I may actually have gotten a lip gloss in here too. Yes, I got a lip color and the lip gloss embrace. Let's look and see how much the lip gloss embrace is. It is $25. So the glosses are $25. The lips is $36, which is about, you know, what you pay if you got Charlotte Tilbury or whatever, anything else. So let's look at the lip color first. This is Velvet Cinnabar. This is one of the new colors. I was a little uncertain about buying it and I decided, well, why not? You know you want to try it. So I did. And here we go. I mean, the way they make the texture look like it is velvet is just amazing to me. Beautiful color. So let's just do a swatch right here. Oh, look at that. I was afraid it would be too orange. I don't know that it's gonna be. I mean, it does show a little bit of that rusty orange color in there, but it's gonna be great for the fall. Wonderful, wonderful color. I love that her lipsticks are magnetic, y'all. But the only thing is, you can't stand them up beside each other on the counter because they would go shoop. I know. I'm silly. Like I said, this is a Velvet Cinnabar. I didn't get the matching liner for that one, I guess. Normally, and with the other ones, I was getting the matching liners. But I guess since I wanted to get these lip glosses, I didn't. So this one is Dragon. This one was not a new launch, but it was a restock. So I had to get it because, yeah, hubby always loved dragons. And I just wanted to see what it looks like. It looks very much more orange right here to me than I thought it did in the picture. And it is a little bit, but oh, isn't it pretty? I'll still wear it. What do you think? Is it too orange for me? I don't know. Very pretty though. And this one is called Beauty. I believe this one was a new launch. Look at y'all. I didn't even show you the doe foot on the other one, but I'll show you on this one. So there is the doe foot. And here is the color. Is that not gorgeous? Oh my goodness. That's beautiful. Y'all, I love it. So here is my little Lisa Eldridge haul. 2 glosses, lipstick, and then I got the sample for free, of course. Beautiful, beautiful colors. Which one is your favorite? Which one do you think will look best on me? Y'all tell me everything below. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to share with your friends. Tell everybody about the channel. Press that notification bell. You'll know when new collabs and videos come out. Go check us out on the community tab. Say hi, whatever you want to do. I'd love to hear from everybody. Say hi to Miss Callie Cat. You want to say bye, Miss Callie Cat? You say bye-bye? She's like, no. Once you get the laptop out of your lap, stick them in your lap. Y'all, have a wonderful day and God bless.